Welcome to Spring Lib.
So on a windy day, the wind blowing past the chimney results in a lower pressure, and this is explained by Bernoulli's principle. Air pushing from inside the house flows more easily up the chimney into the low pressure region, fanning the flames on the way. So basically, if this is the chimney inside the house, so if wind is blowing above, so it will create low pressure region than the inside of the house. So inside of the house it will be high pressure than here, so low pressure here, high pressure here. So then to balance them out, there will be air which is drawn out, which will be drawn out from the inside of the house through the chimney, which will actually fan the flames on its way. Thank you.